Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. So let's go, and please follow me on Instagram. Vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. Let's select these background objects. Leave 1 to leave 6. Right mouse, precoms, add name, leaves, and click OK. Then select these clothes, right mouse, precoms, add name, clothes, and click OK. Select this hand right, go to solo, and select palm behind, move to here, and select this hand left. Okay, move to here, anchor point. Nice. Then select this tablet, parent to hand left. Okay, select hand left. Okay, nice. Then select button, parent to tablet, and select airplane, parent tablet. Okay. Let's see again. Select hand left and press air. So nice. We can make animation for right hand. Select this hand right. Go to 2 seconds. Press P in the keyboard. Make position keyframe. And hold shift, press air. Make new rotation keyframe. Go to first second and change rotation and position. Okay, select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe and easy is. Let's see. Okay, select these 2 keyframes, move to left, and select all keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Then select last keyframe, move to here. Okay, and go to here, make new keyframes, again go to 2 seconds and move to hand to down. Change rotation. Okay, and make new keyframes. Go to 3 keyframe and change position to up. Let's see. Okay, we can change rotation again. And change to 4 and 0. 4 and 6. Okay, let's see again. Okay, nice. So in this time, select airplane. In this last keyframe, go to edit, split layer, and change parent to none. Okay, and press P in the keyboard, make new keyframe, go to here, change position to down. Okay, and make new keyframe, go to here and move to like this. Select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe and say easy is. Let's see. Okay. Okay, nice. I like it. Select this hand right position keyframes. Go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Let's see again. Okay. And select this airplane 2 keyframes. Go to graph editor. Make smooth graph. Okay, nice. Okay, select this last keyframe, rotation keyframe, and delete. Okay, then make new keyframes for hand. Go to here and select first keyframe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and rotation, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay. Okay, not bad. Let's animate background objects, open leaves, and make anchor point. Okay, let's make rotation wiggle expressions. Select this leaf 6, press R in the keyboard and hold shift and click this icon. Okay, let's write expression wiggle 1 5. Okay, change to 10. Okay, nice. Select this wiggle and Ctrl C for duplicate, and select leaf 5, press R, again hold shift and click here, Ctrl C and click this area for enter. Okay, nice. Select leaf 4, add expression, and leaf 3 and 2 and leaf 1. Okay, let's see. So nice. Let's close leaf composition. Okay, select this plant 1, press R, again hold alt and click here, Ctrl V for paste this expression. Nice. And plant 2, press R, again click here. So not bad. Let's select this shopping bag, go to solo, change anchor point, and press R, hold alt, click here, Ctrl V. Okay, nice. Not bad. Select this, what is gift box? Okay, gift box, go to solo, again palm behind to down, and press R, hold alt, click here, Ctrl V. Nice. Okay, open clothes composition and select all these clothes, press P, make new keyframe, go to 7 seconds and change positions. Okay, nice. And close. Okay, not bad. We can select hand left, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, change rotation to, okay, and change again 1 and 0. Select all keyframes, right mouse keyframe instead, easy is. Let's see. Okay, nice. For smooth hand animation, select hand right, press U in the keyboard, and let's make puppet pin. Select this puppet tool and make little rig like this. Okay, nice. Then open mesh 1 and deform. Okay, select this puppet pin 1, open keyframes, and select this keyframe. Go to here. This is our active key. Okay, let's change. Press U for C keyframes. Let's create new puppet pin keyframe. Go to here and change puppet. Let's see. Make new puppet pin keyframe. Go to here and change puppet. Like this. And again to left. Okay, let's see. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much and good luck.